Merry Christmas, everybody. From our house to your house. It may be 80 degrees outside, but it is still Christmas inside. Hi, and welcome to Anmaree's workshop. This is the part 2 video of the do-it-yourself rainbow journal. Please check out yesterday's Vlogmas to see how to make this really cool journal for yourself. Now the first hack is just to add wonderful lined paper to your journal to make this a wonderful writing journal. You can use loose leaf paper or you can use very pretty paper that you find. The second hack is to add pretty envelopes or regular envelopes where you can put little notes for the person that you want to give this journal to. These are called rainy day notes, and you can put as many of them in the journal as you'd like for someone special. You can recycle envelopes or use envelopes that you make yourself to put inside this journal. This is a really sweet gift that anyone would appreciate. Grandmas, moms, kids, best friends. You can make your own storybook with a space for writing and a space for adding a picture. You can also add graph paper if you need to plot something out, like a layout for a house or a garden. One of my favorite hacks is having a place to draw in. So you can put blank pages or colored pages in your journal. Now this is a way to make a scrapbook out of your journal. You just incorporate your pictures. Another hack is to make a place to put your stickers. So this is a sticker book. Now this is one of my favorite hacks. Using these library card envelopes, you can add these to your journal and make a place to keep your seeds. This is a wonderful gift for the gardener in your life. You can also write notes about how the seeds went. Another hack is using those very same envelopes and creating a recipe book. This is where you can put all your favorite recipes inside your journal. This is a wonderful gift to pass down. Now this is an activity book. There are lots of lists and questions that you can answer, and kids love to fill these out. And what kid does not like a coloring book? You can download coloring book pages from the link I have in the description. Now the very last page, I have a space for you to keep keepsakes in, things that you get along the way. These are just envelopes. This is just a regular sheet of paper folded in half, and it becomes part of your book. This is your creation. You can use all of these different pages, or you can make an entire book with just one kind of hack, or you can come up with your own ideas. This is free-flowing, and this is fun to do with your friends and your family and by yourself. So you can have an entire book of recipes, an entire book of garden seeds, or an entire book of just writing in your journal. It's entirely up to you. I hope this gave you many ideas. Come back tomorrow for more of Vlogmas.